In this video, I am going to be showing you how to automate content creation for your small business, for your enterprise, whatever, using N8N and Sora 2, brand new. Now, if you haven't heard, Sora 2 is this brand new AI model that is generating crazy realistic content all over the internet. If you haven't seen it, or you probably have seen it, you just don't realize it yet. But if you haven't seen it, then I'll send some I'll put some clips on the screen right here to show you. But the video that I just showed you this isn't me. I did not record this video at all, but it was able to recreate me in a very, very realistic way. And I'm going to show you how to tap into that for your small business. Now, getting straight into it. If you haven't seen my previous video, I will link it here if I remember, somewhere over here on top. Now, this whole workflow right here is to automatically get anything that you're doing or any reviews that comes through for your Google business profile and determine if it's a good review that we can make content about, if it's a good review but it has some negativity in there. So we can, it's great to have it, but we can't make content about it because it has some negative aspects to it. And then if it's a completely negative review, we don't do anything. We reply to it and we send a Slack message to let the team know, hey, somebody stole, one of our pizzeria cooks stole a wallet from a customer and they got into a huge fist brawl in the parking lot. We need to check into that and see what's going on. But that part of the video isn't that important. I should say right now that I do not have a Google profile set up as far as OAuth consent goes. So that part doesn't work, but the logic is still there. You can easily just plug it in. So in this video, we're going to be focusing on the Sora part. Let's get straight into it. Now, if we were to, let's just say, open up this chat trigger and go ahead and say, oh, it's already there. So let's just say the pizza mango pineapple chicken supreme was amazing. I highly recommend it. Well, my spelling a little off. Sorry about that. Here we go. Boom, fix that. Spelling is really off. Sorry about that. Boom, there we go. Send that through the system. And now, if you want to see the process of this whole video, I'll, again, click right here. You can watch it. I think the video was about how to actually make money with N8N as far as giving value in your automations. So, what just happened? Hold on. Let me just, okay. So it glitched out. We kind of just, okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and clear that. Let me go ahead and clear that. Okay, we should be good now. So if I do this, why is this? Oh, hold on. There we go. All right, there we go. Okay. And boom. Now, this right here is a wait node. So pretty much what happened was I sent the review. It's processing to determine if it's a good review that we can make content with, but if it has any negative elements or aspects, it won't do that. And then from there, if it's a completely negative review, it won't do anything with it. But since in this case, I gave it a crazy good review, it's going to go ahead and respond to it on Google profile. That way, you don't have to manually do it every single time. It'll handle it. Then from there, it'll update the spreadsheet where we keep all of our comments and reviews for, CRM purposes. And then from there, it's going to generate the Sora video. Now, so from there, after we go ahead and send the prompt, which will be, actually, open this up. Boom. So now here you can see we have a simple prompt setup, Sora 2. The prompt is this: create a vertical social media post for the review, boom, boom, boom. Then from there, we have a wait node set up. Now the wait node is pretty much just to give the Sora 2 time to generate the video. It's not going to be instant. It's not a ChatGPT prompt. It can't just generate it in 15, 20 seconds. It takes time. And the bigger and better the prompt, the more time it might take. So in this case, we're going to give it 5 minutes. That way, we're not going to just return a blank video. If this wait node was not here and it went straight there, you wouldn't get any video return. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead, give it time to generate, and I'll be back in a second. All right, and we are back. Now, after we get the video details from the generation itself, or the generation node, we're going to go ahead and get the file itself. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead, click view. Oh, go back, download. Okay, give me 1 second. Wait, what happened when I... Okay, last time it showed me the video when I did that. Let me go back, boom, click here. I have the route endpoint right here. So you need to have the content at the end of it. But let's go ahead and look at this.
This mango pineapple chicken supreme is amazing.
All right, boom. That's pretty much the video right there. Now, you can play around with it, make it a longer video, and make it more detailed. I think the prompt we used was what? Where is it? Here. Jenny, make sure you block out the API key on every node I open up like this. Boom, boom. What? Why is it? Why is it this? That's not fucking correct. Can't get data for expression. That's weird. Okay. All right, you can keep going now. So the prompt was, thank you so much for your enthusiastic recommendation. We're delighted you love the mango pineapple chicken supreme pizza. Hope to serve you again soon. So you can easily go in here and say, or edit it out more like, see, boom, and then do something like, boom, and then come over here and say, make sure it's detailed with the business name everywhere in the video, yada, yada, yada. You can go in here and add in a crazy prompt to generate a better video than what we had over here. But at the end of the day, this video is more so showing you the potential and possibility behind the current AI capability with Sora 2. Now, again, do not be someone who's going around using Sora 2 to make funny cat videos and to make themselves in GTA with Lamborghinis and all that. You don't want to be that person. You want to make sure you're using this brand new technology with AI for the most benefit. Because again, 5-6 months from now, this won't be as special. It's not going to be as cool as brand new. There's going to be something else out there. So during the time of hype and during the hype period, you want to make sure you're taking advantage of it and using it to your full advantage while the wave is here, while the pan is hot, while the iron is hot. You want to strike and use everything you can to your advantage. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for the video. If you need something like, oh, hold on, Jenny, cut that part out. And with that being said, I highly recommend, if you're someone, it doesn't have to be a Google business review, but if you need automated content for your business after just typing into your chat, like for example, you can replace this with a Slack node, right? So let's just say we did, right? We put this here, and then every time you talk in the Slack message or a Slack chat or channel, I should say, it'll activate this entire workflow. And then from there, every time you say something, it will generate a brand new video for you. And you can come in here and make this prompt super unique, super in depth. And then that way you can just say something like, generate a video of me talking to a client about this subject and give my answer for X, Y, and Z. The prompt will take it, put it into a better prompt for Sora 2, and then generate you a video that you can post. Jenny, cut that part out. And then put into a video that you can post immediately, just like that. Again, I highly recommend you strike while the iron is hot. If you need any help setting this up, click the link down below in the description. Book a free call. We can sit down 15, 20 minutes, talk about your business right now, where you're at, what your automation history has been like, if you have any automations right now, how you can get that set up. And then from there, we can sit down and talk about if it would make sense for us to work together and the best solution for you and your business going forward. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you.